Hi guys, we're back out bush. We are cooking a nice and simple one pan chicken rice. But I'm not just doing chicken rice, I'm gonna do gochujang. You guys know it's my favorite Korean spice, but keep it simple. So we're just gonna do a one pan chicken and rice, set and forget, super easy, perfect when you're on the road or out bush. So we've got our chicken thighs, nice and simple. Chicken thighs, always use thighs, so much more juicy and full of flavour. Some spring onions, some gochujang. Got my rice, I've washed my rice. My basics, I've got some soy sauce, some sesame oil, some garlic, and some chicken stock. Keep it super simple. Let's do it. I'm just gonna cut up the spring onion. So I'm gonna use the white and the green. So the white of the spring onion is gonna go in the actual base. So get that nice solid onion bit, and we'll mix through the green of it at the end. Some nice garnish, a bit of flavour as well. So I only need, probably about, they're pretty thick. About 4 of these, put the rest in the fridge. Just gonna trim the ends off. So we're gonna finally slice these. Keep in mind, we're gonna keep the white bit for the base. So a bit more. I'll keep the green bits for later, just cut them up nice and fresh at the end. Got those. And we've got our chicken. All we're going to do is go straight in the pan with this. Keep it simple. Get this nice and warm. Chuck the chicken in straight away. We're going to get that chicken nice and golden. Get some nice crust on that. We're going to go in with the little aromats, with our rice, with our stock. Chuck our lid on. Chuck this right down low. Set and forget. Super easy. So get some oil in there. Starting to get a bit of smoke in there. Straight in with the chicken. Just want to try and show you guys how easy it is to make one pan meals straight from nothing while you're camping on the road. Super simple. So I'm just going to go the whole thighs straight in. No use cutting them up. As I said, we're just going nice and simple. Set and forget. Alright, a bit of seasoning on those. Alright, leave them alone, let them cook. They'll naturally unstick from the pan. If they do stick a little bit, that's when they're going to be nice and golden, ready to flip. We're going to go in with the rest of our ingredients. Alright, nice and good colour on those. I'm just going to flip those. Easy. Go in with our spring onions. Gonna go with our lazy man's garlic. Easy on the road. I love my garlic. A little bit of sesame oil. A little bit of soy. Going to start to deglaze that pan. Going with our gochujang spice. So if you don't know, Korean chili paste, absolutely beautiful stuff. Quite a bit. Sort that out a bit later. Start to mix that all through. Just coat our chicken thighs, like, look at that. Alright. Going with our washed rice. And I've got some chicken stock here. So we're just going to go in with some chicken stock. I'll put the recipe down in the links below. So your quantity's there. But you can see that stock's just covered. I'm going to turn that right down. Turn that right down. I'm just going to let that cook. So it's going to probably take about another 20, 25 minutes. But we're going to end up with the most delicious chicken and rice gochujang right at the campfire. I'm going to sit beside the creek in front of the fire and enjoy. Bring up the lid. Alright, straight on with the lid. Got that down to 400. I might even turn down to 200 watt. See how we go? Now set and forget. I'm going to relax and crack a beer.
Makes me stay in bed a little longer to hear you breathing. Long for those quiet days when the hours drift away. Petals fall on the window pane as the clouds above float away.
Alrighty, I think we're done. Let's check it out. Ooh. Let's have a look. Yeah, rice is nice and fluffy. Chicken's obviously definitely cooked. I'm going to turn this guy off. I'm just going to finish it and then we're going to get stuck into this, I think. That's how easy it is. One pot chicken and rice. A few little Asian flavours, gochujang, my favourite. Just going to finish it off with some spring onions. Cut a bit earlier. Spring onions. Got some sesame seeds here. Some crispy shallots. Fried shallots. A little bit of crunch. And move all this out of my way. Just some chili, crunch chili, chili oil. Nice little kick and little flavour. You just need more chili after the gochujang. Alright, that is my one pot gochujang chicken and rice. I'm going to get stuck into this and enjoy it around the campfire. That's how easy it is, guys. Nice and simple, one pot around a camp, travelling. Getting stuck into this one. Recipe's down below, but I'm going to enjoy this.